Hello friends, welcome to Active Education Pro. Today's topic is addition and subtraction of rational numbers. In my last video, we learned how to add rational numbers having same denominator. But now, in this video, we will learn how to add or subtract rational numbers having different denominator. So let's start with example. So first example is add 2 by 3 and 5 by 4. In this example, in these two rational numbers, here the first denominator is 3 and in the second rational number the denominator is 4. So here these both denominators are different from each other. So first take the LCM of the denominator. Here 3 and 4. Denominator is 3 and another denominator is 4. So take the LCM of 3 and 4, and the LCM of 3 and 4 is 12. We know very well LCM of 3 and 4 is 12. LCM stands for least common multiple. Least common multiple of 3 and 4 is 12. So 3 and 4 is 12 is the LCM of 3 and 4. Then divide the LCM with the denominator first. The first step is the divide the LCM by the denominator. Here LCM is 12 and denominator is 3. Then the quotient will be 4. If you divide 12 by 3, then the quotient is 4. So 4. Then multiply the quotient with the numerator, means 4 into 2. And then it is addition, so put a plus symbol, and then again this same process. First divide the LCM by the denominator, means first divide 12 by 4 and here the quotient is 3, then write 3, then put a multiplication symbol into symbol, then multiply the quotient with the numerator of the second rational number, so it's 5, and then 4 into 8 plus 3 5 are 15 by 12. 8 plus 15, 23 by 12. It is your answer. If we add 2 by 3 with 5 and 4, then our addition result will be 23 by 12. Again we repeat it. In this case, both the denominators are different from each other. In first rational number, the denominator is 3 and in second rational number, the denominator is 4. So in this case, first we have to take the LCM of both the denominator. Here the LCM of 3 and 4 is 12. So first step is divide the LCM by the denominator and multiply the quotient with the numerator. Here we divide 12 by 3, the quotient is 4 and the same quotient will be multiplied with the numerator 2. And similarly follow this process for second rational number. Divide 12 by 4 and the quotient will be 3. Quotient is 3. Then multiply the 3 with the numerator of the second rational number, and here 3 into 5. Then simplify as per Badmas rule. Order of application. First solve the bracket. 4 into 2 is 8 plus 3 5 are 15 by 12. 23 by 12, it is your answer. Okay. So let's take another example for better understanding. This is another example. Add 13 by 16 with 22 by 24. Here the same case, different denominators. So first take the LCM of 16 and 24. LCM of 16 and 24, it will be 48. You know very well how to derivate LCM. And here the LCM of 16 and 24 is 48. So first write below the LCM, then divide the LCM by denominator 16. 48 by 16. 48 by 16, it will be 3. 3 into 13. Multiply with the denominator and then put plus symbol, bracket start. Again divide 48 by 24. 48 by 24, it will be 2. So 2 multiply with the numerator 22 and then solve it. 13 3s are 39 plus 44 by 48 and your addition result will be 83 by 48. It is your answer. If we add 13 by 16 with 22 by 24 by taking LCM of the different denominator which are different from each other, addition result will be 83 by 48. For understanding, I write each and every step in details for your understanding. Otherwise, you can skip these steps by multiplying in your mind. First, divide this number by a denominator. Here 16 is the denominator and 24 is the another denominator. First divide 48 by 16 and then the quotient direct multiply with the 13, and here quotient is 3, 13 into 3 is 39, and then divide 48 by 24 and then multiply the quotient with the 24 in mind, and here your answer will be 44, and then add this number simply. Again another example by skipping this process. Three by 9 with 4 by 12. Here denominators are different from each other, so take first LCM of 9 and 12. It will be 36, and then put a line mark and then write the LCM of 9 and 12. Then first divide 36 by 9 and here your answer will be 4. Then multiply with the numerator of this same rational number. Numerator 9 is 4. 36 by 9 is 4. Then multiply the quotient with the numerator. 4 3 is 2. 4 3 is 12 plus divide 36 by 12 and your quotient will be 36 by 12. Your quotient will be 3. So they multiply 3 with 4. 3 4 is 12. It will become 24 by 36. 2 by 3. It is the standard form of this fractional number, 2 by 3. Okay. In this case, we skip this process. We calculate it in our mind. First divide the denominator, divide by the denominator and multiply the quotient with the numerator in our mind. So it is 12 plus 12 by 36, and here answer is 24 by 36 is equal to 2 by 3. 2 by 3 is the standard form of this fractional number. This answer is right. You get your full mark by right up to till this, but 2 by 3 is the least form, the standard form of this number. You can write it or it, no problem. The next example of subtraction is 4 by 6 from 9 by 12. Subtract 4 by 6 from 9 by 12. Yes, in this case new denominators are different from each other, so first take the LCM of 6 and 12. It will be 12. Okay, because 12 is the multiple of 6 and yes itself it is a multiple of 12. So first write the LCM, then divide LCM by the denominator. 12 by 6 is 2, and then multiply with the numerator. 2 into 4, it will be 8. Sorry, first we have to solve 9 by 12 because from 9 by 12. So first divide the LCM by the denominator. 12 by 12 is 1. Multiply this quotient with the numerator. It will be 9 minus. Then divide the LCM by the denominator 6. 12 by 6, it will be 2. Then multiply with the numerator. 2 4 is 8. And here your answer will be 1 by 12. 1 by 12 is your answer. Next example. Subtract 12 by 24 from 10 by 12. So first write it 10 by 12 minus 12 by 24. In this case denominators are different from each other, so take the LCM of 12 and 24 and your answer will be 24, because 24 is the multiple of 12 and itself 24. Okay, and then write the LCM at its below lines below, and then divide by 12. 24 by 12, 24 by 12, and your answer is 2. Then multiply with the numerator. 2 into 10 is 20, minus 24 by 24 itself, divide the number itself. So 24 by 24 is 1, and then multiply with 12. 22 minus 12 is 8 by 24, and the standard form of this fractional number is 1 by 3. It is your answer. If we subtract 12 by 24 from 10 by 12, your answer will be 1 by 3. You can write 8 by 24 or 1 by 3, no problem. 8 by 24 is equal to 1 by 3. So this is all about how to add or subtract rational numbers. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, like, share and comment on my video, and press the bell icon for latest update of my video. Thank you.